Until now, we use address bar to navigate between pages in Next.js. But today we are going to learn about link components in Next.js for better implement navigation with page in Next.js. So let's dive in for learning it. Welcome back, everyone. In our previous video, we explored Next.js file-based routing mechanism. We learned how to create posts for various parts of our application, including the route, nested post, dynamic post, and catch-all post. However, in the other example, we manually entered the URLs in the browser address bar to navigate to different pages. This is not how regular users typically navigate applications. Users usually rely on UI elements, such as the links, to navigate either by clicking on them or through programmatic navigation after completing an action. Let's explore how to achieve the same using Next.js. Let's start with our first example. Navigating from the home page to the posts page on the click of a UI element. To enable client-side navigation, Next.js provides us with the link component. The link component is a React component that extends the HTML anchor element and is the primary way to navigate between routes in Next.js. To use it, we need to import it from Next link. Back in VS Code, in our routes page, page.tsx in app folder. Import the link component. Now, in the Next.js, we can use the link component to navigate to any routes in our application. And here, we can use the fragments. And here, I write link. By importing the link component and providing the desired route through the href prop, we can create clickable navigation elements. In this example, to display text in post and the route we want to navigate to is /post. After saving the file and refreshing the browser, you should see rendered post link. As you can see, post is here. Clicking on it will successfully navigate to the post page. Here, I want to create a UI element for back to home page. For this, first import link from next link. Import something from next link. Import link from next link. And here, I want link for back or home. Okay. And here, href, navigate to home. As you can see, when in posts page, we can back to home here. After click, I navigate to home page. Now, let's move on to our next example, navigating to dynamic routes. Currently, on the posts page, we have a list of 3 posts. Let's convert each post heading into a link takes the user to the corresponding detail post, pattern post, where post ID can be 1, 2, 3, and etc. Now, when you return the browser, all 3 posts should be clickable. Click on post 1, will navigate to corresponding detail page, and the same goes for post 2 and post 3. Although hard coding dynamic routes work fine, it may now always be possible or desirable. In such cases, you can pass the post ID as a prop to the component. Let's assume we have a post ID of 20 to navigate to. You can use a string interpolation with the href attribute. So if here define a const post ID, for example 20 post ID, and duplicate this here, post ID, backtick here, post $post ID. Returning to the browser and refreshing the page, as you can see, you should now see post 20. Clicking on it will take you the detailed page for post 20. Our linking component basically inside navigating is working as a spec. One prop I want to highlight regarding the link component is the replace prop. On component on post 3, let's set the replace prop on the link tag. I tag replace. Okay. Now in the browser, let's observe to the back button behavior. Starting from the home page, click on posts, click on post 1 and click back, click on post 2 and click back. But when click on post 3 and click back, you are brought to the home page instead of the post list page. The replace prop replaces the current history state instead of adding a new URL to the stack. This is something to keep in mind. To summarize, the link component in Next.js allows us to navigate between routes using UI elements. To use it, import the link component from NextLink and include in your components with the desired display text and the href attributes. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.